Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make delicious ramen at home without having to do hours and hours of preparation, you have come to the right video. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spicy dandan ramen noodle in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. So the ingredients in this recipe are very simple. For the protein, I used ground chicken. You can use any protein you like. I also tried tofu before and it tastes amazing too. Some preserved vegetable, I will link it in the description box. If you can't find it, you can use kimchi. And the special ingredients in this recipe is sesame paste. You can also use peanut butter. It will balance the spiciness and also give a very creamy taste to this noodle. So the first thing we're going to do is to add 2 tablespoons of hot water in the sesame paste. If you're using peanut butter, you can skip this step, because usually the sesame paste is very thick and we will want to water it down first. And add in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, and half tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well and set it aside. I've already washed and dried some vegetables. I'm using 1 cup of bean sprout and some bok choy. So next, we will boil some water for the noodles. I boiled the noodle for 2 to 3 minutes and take them out to drain. You can also use the cold water technique to make the noodles less soggy. And we can use the same water to blanch the vegetables. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, we will take them out. And now drizzle in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Toss in the garlic, preserved vegetable, and chili bean paste. Saute until fragrant. Add in the Chinese cooking wine and oyster sauce. And now throw in the ground chicken as well. Just continue saute everything until it's fully cooked. And now it's all done, we can start to assemble this dandan ramen noodle. Okay, we will start with the sauce. Pour in half of the sauce we made earlier. It's about 4 to 5 tablespoons. And add 1 cup of hot water. It's already smells delicious. And now add in 1 serving of noodles. Wow, you can make it look much nicer. Then the vegetables go in. Ramen eggs go in. And the cooked protein. And finally, you can also add some decor, and it's all done. This is super fast, easy, and super delicious ramen noodle you can make at home, and it will only take 10 minutes. And probably only 5 minutes to eat them all. So let me know what's your favorite ramen in the comment, please. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.